Alright, now I'll show you how to connect any model beyond ChatGPT or SS locally via API, okay? That and any other model. Basically, we'll start by searching for Open Router, okay? We'll go to this page, log in, add some credits, then create a key under the keys section, alright? After creating a key, we'll go to the node that says when you write a message, this AI agent connects to a router, okay? Now I can connect it to a free model, for example. Let's connect a free one to test it out. For instance, the OSS was free, for example. OSS free with 120 trillion parameters. Let's ask it something complex. Explain why ChatGPT's 120 trillion parameter model has been revolutionary. We send it and, being a free model, it complained. Let's take the same text and use a non-free model. We'll use the 4th mini, just for demonstration. Alright, ChatGPT 4th mini. Now we send it. See? It's processing our request through the API. Being Open Router, it might take slightly longer than a direct ChatGPT model, but it's connected without issues. I hope you enjoyed this.